Today we're going to be looking at using the manufacturing mobile in the WMS mobile device. This is the work order that we're going to be billing. We can see our bill of materials, our routing, our assembly item, as well as our component items. In the WMS mobile device, I'm going to select manufacturing mobile. I'm going to select my location. If I have only one work center, you can see it's automatically going to select the work center for me. Otherwise, I can select more than one work center. I'll select my shift, validate the date, and then decide if I want to build a work order or a standalone assembly. I'll select work order, and I can see my list of work orders. So I'm going to select the first work order. I'm going to select from my routing which operation sequence I want to be in. Start with the first one. You can see I was already in this run. I'm going to really quickly walk us through so we can badge in. So I can see this is my employee badge. We're going to assign a different employee's badges. My status is that I'm clocked in, which is tracking time against this work order. Hence why I have pause and end run. I can enter consumption if I wanted to. I can select the item that I'm saying is being put into the machine. This is my lot number. And I'm going to say that out of the total quantity of 8, I'm using 8. And I'm putting that 8 into the machine. So now, if I go back to my components, I can see 8 have been added for this item, don't have any yet entered for the other item. I'm going to end this run, saying that I'm finished with that first portion of the routing. I'm going to select finish. Again, this is where, because I'm clocked in, I can select start run, which is going to track time against this portion of the work order. And I'm going to click production. So we can scan or enter a lot. We can enter an expiration date if we wanted to. And we'll enter a lot quantity. We'll say that all 8 belong to this lot number. And I'll click add. This way we're simulating that we've produced this much from that quantity that we entered as a component item that we are putting into the machine. And all the while we're badged into this process, we're tracking time against the work order. So I can see in this case, I could continue to overproduce. I don't have any more, so I just click the next button. If I had work order instructions, I could see them using this button. I can pause the run if I need to step away. I can log scrap, and I can end the run as well. There's a bunch of different setup, if we want to allow employees to be able to be in 2 steps at once, and badging and setting up the different operation steps and work orders, as well as the different times of day that someone might be working. This has been used in manufacturing mobile portion of the SCM mobile app.